Welcome to NS Astrology Institute. Vedic Astrology, KP Astrology, Bhrigu Nandi Nadi Astrology, Numerology and Vastu Astrology. In this Part 7 video, based on the positions of the planets in the horoscope. How to know the profession? This astrology predictive rule is very simple. So let's try to understand this rule that is going to be explained now. Saturn is the planet that rules the profession. Along with this planet, the houses of Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha should be considered. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius are the Dharma houses. These are also called the fiery signs. Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn are the Artha houses. These are also called the earthy signs. Gemini, Libra and Aquarius are the Kama houses. These are also called the airy signs. Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces are the Moksha houses. These are also called the watery signs. Along with these Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha houses, Mercury and Moon should also be taken into consideration. Because the planet Mercury indicates the matter of intellect. Similarly, the planet Moon indicates the matter of mind. Why should only Mercury and Moon be considered? Because, if Mercury and Moon are strong, their way of thinking does not change. They stick to one decision. That is why we have to see whether they are strong or weak in the horoscope. In the next steps, we need to see what influence these planets, Moon and Mercury, are under in the Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha positions. Now, let's take an example of a horoscope and analyze it in detail. Here, the horoscope of a boy is given. In this horoscope, the ascendant is Sagittarius. This analysis method is in the 1, 5, 9 combination, 3, 7, 11 combination and 2, 12 combination method. This combination method is called Bhrigu Nandi Nadi method. Similarly, in the KP method, stars are also considered. Considering the position of the planet Mercury, Mercury is in the fiery sign of Leo, which is the sign of Dharma Sthana. Similarly, Jupiter is also in the place of Dharma, Sagittarius. Similarly, there is no one in the house of another Dharma Sthana, Aries. Therefore, these two planets have a combination. Mercury has the Moon, Venus, and Mars in the 3rd, 7th, and 11th combinations. Likewise, it has the Sun and Rahu in the 2nd and 12th combinations. Also, since Mercury is in the Ketu star, it has a relationship with Saturn and Ketu. This means that Mercury is strong. The planets Moon, Venus and Mars are in the airy signs. That is, they are in the Kama positions. Also, Mercury and Jupiter are in the 7th and 11th combination. These are the Dharma positions. Also, Moon is weak in terms of degrees. This Moon is strong because it is in the Purva Bhadra star of the Jupiter star. Considering this method of analysis, the planets Mercury and Moon are strong. These two planets are associated with Dharma positions. Similarly, these two planets are also associated with Saturn. Since Saturn is also situated in the Mercury star, it can be understood that it is strong in Dharma position. Here the Dharma positions have become Agni Tattva signs. Along with Mercury and Moon, almost all the planets are under the influence of Dharma positions. Similarly, Moon and Mercury also have a connection with Saturn. Therefore, it can be said that they will be in engineering or electrical related profession. Actually, this person is working as an AE in the electrical department. In this way, we can predict the profession by considering the planets Saturn, Mercury and Moon. Check this rule in the horoscopes of people you know. Give feedback with a comment. If you like this video, you can click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.